Hi guys, so today we're going to talk about machine learning and the need for it. Now, a very famous person once said, and this is also the vague definition of what machine learning is, that learning is any process by which a system improves performance from experience. Also, machine learning is concerned with computer programs that automatically improve their performance through experience. Now, basic point of machine learning is there's a machine to which we are giving some information. The role of machine is to see the information and learn the intricacies of it, and then we can use that machine to predict our desired output. Right? Now, okay, fine, that's great, but why machine learning? So you have to understand that data is the lifeblood of all businesses now, and data-driven decisions increasingly make the difference between keeping up with competition or falling further behind. Suppose a company's big data has to be understood. So for that, it will require a lot of cost and human potential to actually understand the very minute nuances and the trends of that data set, which can be very efficiently done with a single good machine. So that's why it's very important for organizations to keep up with machine learning. Alright, now let's see, so if it's so important, why was it not that relevant earlier? And why has it suddenly boomed? So why now? Now you have to understand that earlier we didn't have technology growth that much and we didn't have internet that much. So a flood of available data was not very accessible with a lot of people. So that was a problem which has been solved now, especially with the advent of the internet. Also, now we have increasing computational power of laptops and computers, which can easily process big data information in couple of seconds. Also, there's been growing progress in available algorithms and theory developed by researchers. So this has also led to increasing support from industries because now machine learning has become very imperative for a business to succeed. So let's see the future of it now. Machine learning has become so important. Machine learning can be competitive advantage to any company, be it a top MNC or a startup, as things that are currently being done manually will be done tomorrow by machines. Good machine learning algorithm can really change the outcome of what we really expect. Let me give you an example. So during an NBA season, which is the National League of Basketball, there was one team who was having a very terrible record in one of the seasons. So what they did for the next season, they hired machine learning experts and tried to figure out the best ball position and plays that could eventually end up with them scoring a basket. And the very next season, they had a great record and they made the playoffs. So that's how a good machine learning algorithm and eventually machine learning can help any organization with its outcomes. So machine learning revolution will stay with us for long, and so will be the future of machine learning. So I hope you understand the importance of machine learning and you are much more interested to learn it. Thank you.